Hey guys, welcome to our channel. In this video, you will learn on how to use the Capital IQ Pro. But since Capital IQ Pro is an enterprise platform that requires an institutional or corporate subscription and access may vary depending on your organization or region, I'll be walking you through its features using the official product material so you can understand how the platform works before using it yourself. So, if you are interested in investment banking, equity research, private equity, corporate finance, or financial analysis, you've probably heard of the Capital IQ Pro. So, it is one of the most powerful financial research platforms used by professionals around the world. So, yeah, I'll give you a beginner friendly walkthrough of the Capital IQ Pro, explain its key features, and show you how analysis typically use it to research companies, industries, and financial statements and market trends. Okay, so you just have to open any of your web browser, and then you just have to search for Capital IQ Pro. And then you have this very first website. You just have to tap on this one. Okay, so again, the Capital IQ Pro is a financial intelligence platform developed by the S&P Global. Okay, so here, as you can see, we have their products and their solutions. So for their featured products, we have artificial intelligence, eye level purchasing managers index, ratings direct, and more. Okay, so let's just go here. Okay, so here there are five new reasons to love the S&P Capital IQ Pro. First is the Gen AI. Okay, so here, as you can see on the Gen AI, you can filter for your document using the entity name, the time, the time range, the document type, or use save search. So you can search companies and lists right here. Next one, you can tap the Open in Chat IQ once you have selected your documents. And next, you can select multiple documents to include in your analysis. Okay, next one, right here. As you can see, you can select one of the three questions that appear based on the document's content, or you can type in your natural language questions. And then here, you can click through to the source documents by clicking on the blue bubble. Okay, so next one, let's proceed to the private markets. So here you can access the detailed employee data company, the rule, and the department level. In here, you can gain the insights into the number of employees that move from one entity to another. And of course, you can click on the table icon for a tabular view of the employee movement details. Okay, so let's proceed to the next one. So you can improve your evaluation analysis with instant visuals for key multiples and analyst recommendations. And here you can toggle between consensus trends and revisions for quick insight into analyst sentiments. Next one, can enhance your benchmarking by leveraging business groups and tailored peer list. Okay, so next one here. So you can select from a list of filters to visualize the relevant CDS data. You can also add other comparative issuers. You can navigate to the CDS summary tab to see the CDS price types of the primary CDS curve, tenors for all curves, or subsidiary curves. Okay, so right here you can analyze the CDS yields curves historically or focus on a particular tenor in the line chart. Next one here. So you can click on the data tab to view the results in a grid format. So you'd be able to view that in a grid format, and you can expand and select the relevant filters such as resource, time period, region, and basin, and more. Okay, and then lastly, Okay, so the latest platform release is live, so bringing you more fixed income coverage, enhance the analytics, leveraging generative AI, compelling charting, new visualizations, and much more. Okay, so as you can see, um, combine the fundamental you expect with the data you've always wanted. So the S&P Capital IQ Pro empowers informed decisions with access to 109,000 plus public companies, including the 49,000 active companies with current financials and database of 60 million plus private companies. So including the 1.3 million plus early stage companies, all within a premier financial data platform. Okay, so professionals who commonly use the Capital IQ Pro, it's include the investment bankers, the equity research analysts, financial analysts, corporate finance teams, private equity firms, venture capital investors. So you can think of it as a one-stop research platform for making informed financial decisions. Okay, so here you can see um, with access to 29 million plus government, supranational agency, and corporate securities from the market. So, enhancing pricing, analytics and reference, data coverage, 1.6 million plus loan facilities, including over 5,500 with the current day live prices, spread through maturity, yield, and more. So discover the ownership details on 49,000 plus public companies, 35,000 plus institutions, and 51,000 plus funds, and a 337,000 plus insiders and 12,000 plus investors, activism campaigns. Okay, so again, um, one of the most commonly used features in the company profile, you can see the revenue, the net income, the market capitalization, the enterprise value, the financial statements, the share price history, the executive leadership, institutional ownership, and the analyst estimate. So instead of searching through multiple websites, all this information is available in one centralized platform. So that is an advantage if you really want to use this one. So of course, another powerful feature is in the screener. So once you're inside of the tool, of course, imagine you want to find technology companies located in the United States, revenue above $500 million, and positive earnings, market capitalization above 1 billion. And the screening tool lets you filter thousands of companies based on criteria like financial performance, industry, geography, evaluation metrics, ownership, and much more. So, this is one of the biggest time saving features for analysis. So, instead of manually researching hundreds of companies, Capital IQ Pro generate a filtered list in seconds. Okay, so if you want to know more about this website, you just have to visit the website. So that's it for this video. If you think this video helped you solve your concern, please subscribe, like this video, and leave your comment below. Bye.